What's up, guys? Jake, aka the Mindset Trader here. Bitcoin's doing things. Just wanted to do a quick update on this since the price action seems to be breaking to the downside and pretty rapidly. So just wanted to pop on, give my opinion as a technical analyst, just tell you what I think Bitcoin could be doing and what the TA is telling me. So right away, we'll just jump right into the 4-hour. In this really nice parallel channel here, I went ahead and drew for us just so we can get an idea for the price action since January. So this channel has been in formation since the beginning of the year, and we're continuing to respect the support and resistance lines of that channel, and now we're breaking towards the downside. Once we cross that heart line there, the center line, you see, actually, if we zoom in here real quick, I'll show you, we actually broke below it, retested it to confirm it. That confirmed that this indeed was going to break further down to the downside, and we're seeing that follow through price action. So right now, taking the channel out of it, I can actually just clear this so we can get a better look, and we'll pop on the daily for a support. You'll see that Bitcoin's right at this very pivotal support resistance line that's right around 41,000. I have a nice little range between 40,900 and about 41,250. And you'll see that this has been acted as support once, twice. Acted as resistance once, twice, and then acted as support here. And we're currently breaking below that. And to take a closer look as to where that is, I'll jump down to the 15-minute. And that's about as good as you can get it. On the 15-minute, you broke below the 41 line and retested it as resistance, and then broke down below. And it looks like you're doing that same exact thing here with this resistance here on the 15-minute, just solely going off the price action, none of the oscillators. So we'll see if we get more follow through down to the downside. One thing I did want to show you on the daily though, which is pretty important in my opinion here. Taking a look at the MACD, we are currently sitting at the highest level, of negative momentum since December 7th of last year. So currently on the daily, we are at the highest levels of negative momentum on the MACD. Not a bullish sign, obviously, so definitely going to be wanting to keep an eye on that. One thing I did also want to show you guys real quick is that in my previous video, I had Bitcoin breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. This is a perfect opportunity for accountability here. We'll play what happened. We had a nice breakout, and you see we just basically got denied by the 200-day moving average along with the $48,000 resistance, and now we've actually officially, you can see that, right? Yep, broken back down into that pattern. So I was wrong. This one didn't really play out. Best we can do is move on from there. Just wanted to point that out for accountability's sake, show that, hey, not all trades work out. You're going to be wrong from time to time. It's going to happen. The market will humble you in that aspect. But what I didn't take into account, I think, and what I think I underestimated personally, was the correlation that Bitcoin is having with the overall market, aka the S&P and the Dow Jones and such. So we're seeing a sell-off here of the majority of stocks, and I think we're seeing a reversal here in this realm, and that's in turn turning over here in the crypto realm. So negative sentiment across the board, inflation worries, shortages, all the headlines going across, creating a lot of fear, and people are worried. So when that happens, people take their risk off the table, whether that be in stocks, commodities, or in crypto. So I think that's what we're seeing here. General weakness across the board, not a good time to long, in my opinion. For the long term, you might be able to find some scalps here and there. Do that at your own risk. That's not my style. But I just wanted to pop on and give a quick update since we were seeing some price action here on Bitcoin after this kind of just real chop zone here. It was in that parallel channel. Go ahead and draw that again. So basically something like that, you get a little better look on the 4-hour to see where we're at. So key levels to watch right now for Bitcoin is going to be literally right where we're at, that 41,000 mark. We'll zoom in here. Keep an eye on this mark right here. These are very, very key levels. Obviously, we're very oversold on this after this huge swing down, but that doesn't automatically mean that it's going to pop right back up and hold these levels. We could see a retest and just a confirmation, and then go ahead and tumble all the way back down. And if we tumble all the way back down, the key levels to watch from there, if we do get follow through action, I'm looking at around 37,000. You know, not much on the larger time scales in regards to support resistance, straight up, straight down. So what do you think is going to happen if we actually do confirm this straight down? I would say to retest these lows, which would be mega bearish. And I mean, given the market sentiment across all markets across the entire planet at this point, I think it's fair to say that the bears have a slight edge. Just my opinion. But the chart is leaning towards the downside, more downside to come. This, I think, is a big deal here to watch. The highest levels of negative momentum on the MACD all year long, all 2022. Not a small thing. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more videos, more updates, more frequent updates, or on Bitcoin or any other assets, hit the like, hit the sub, and hit the bell when I do go live. I don't go live too often, but during big price action swings, I will be going live. So, like I said, hit the like, hit the sub button, and comment on what you think of the video, where you think Bitcoin's going to be, what you think of the total market, and where things could be going from there. But until next time, guys, don't forget to do something your future self will thank you for. And remember, mindset matters.